Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youth Buddy. Dear daily commuters, travelers, working individuals, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who recently lost your wallet or worried about what to do in such a situation, this is especially for you. So imagine this. You are traveling, or maybe just heading home, and suddenly you realize your wallet is missing. That moment. It feels stressful, right? You start thinking, where did I lose it? What about my cards, my ID proofs, my cash? And then confusion starts. Should I go to the police station? Is it necessary to file a complaint? What exactly should I say or write? Don't worry, you are not alone in this. Many people face this situation, and most of them are unsure about the correct steps to take. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you. How to file a police complaint. Lost my wallet in India. Information from Youth Buddy. To explore this, visit the Youth Buddy website, go to the General section, scroll down and open Model Complaints under the Citizen category, and on that page select Lost Wallet. This topic explains how you can officially report your lost wallet and protect yourself from misuse of your personal information. It also helps you understand what to do next after filing the complaint. Now let me walk you through the process step by step. First, visit the nearest police station. Try to go to the police station that comes under the area where you think you lost your wallet. If you are not sure, you can simply visit the nearest one to your home. Next, write a simple complaint letter. Address it to the station house officer, also known as the SHO. In the letter, mention details like when and where you lost your wallet and what items were inside, like cash, debit or credit cards, Aadhaar, PAN card, or any other documents. Then, request for an official record. If your wallet was stolen, the police may register an FIR. If it was just lost, they will usually make a general diary entry or NCR. Both are useful as proof. After that, collect a copy of your complaint. Make sure you get a signed and stamped acknowledgment copy. This is very important because you will need it to apply for duplicate documents later. Finally, take immediate safety actions. Block your debit and credit cards by calling your bank. Apply for duplicate documents like Aadhaar, PAN, or driving license through their official websites or offices. And if your state allows, you can also file a complaint online through the police website. Now, let's quickly look at why this information is really important. One key feature is that it helps you take quick and correct action, reducing the risk of fraud or misuse. Another great point is that the process is explained in a simple way, so even if it's your first time, you won't feel confused. And yes, acting fast can really save you from bigger problems later. So remember, losing a wallet is stressful, but handling it smartly makes all the difference. Stay calm, follow the steps, and secure your documents as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the General section on the Youth Buddy website. Scroll down and open Model Complaints under the Citizen category, and on that page, select Lost Wallet. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youth Buddy, signing off.